everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining me for Try It Out Tuesday. Today I'm super excited to share with you a project. We are creating a card. All the items that I'm using for today's card, with the exception of cardstock, is on sale over at Spellbinders. They're having the fall warehouse sale. Twice a year, Spellbinders has, well, they have a sales all year long, but my favorite are spring and fall warehouse sales. So today I'm going to share with you some items that are on sale, and then we're going to create a card using them. Super excited about this. Spellbinders has these buttons from Fin Stamper's Journey, are fabulous. They come in this nice little pouch, and let me show you. It opens up. So long after the buttons are gone, you have this cute little pouch to hold them in. But there's some hearts. There's some, let me zoom in so you can see. But these are really pretty buttons, and they're only $1 on sale right now. I picked up several for $1. But you can see the flowers and the hearts. The brown buttons have a little bit of a shine to them. There's black buttons, pink hearts. So cute. Pick this up. This is $1 over at Spellbinders right now. And, you know, I'm not going to use today, but let me show you some paper clips that are on sale for $1 too. Because they're awful cute. So you might want to throw these in your cart for $1. I just love these. I haven't used them on a card in a while, but I love these for bills or keeping papers together. These are little music notes. They're paper clips. How cute are these? There's sunglasses, and I think there's apples in here too. So teachers, school starting, little teacher notes. How cute are these? Little apples. Let me show you how they work. Here. These are just little paper clips that are on sale for $1. How cute are these? Can't beat that. These ones are music notes, apples, sunglasses, but they have these ones also. These ones have little bunnies, stars, and flowers. These ones are not, have a longer base. Let me show you. I love sales like this. You can't beat things for $1. Look how pretty these have flowers and bunnies for spring next year. I'm a bargain shopper, you can't tell. And then the stars are nice for birthdays. If you want to put it on your card for birthday, but look at how cute are those? And they get tons of them in there. There's 24 of them. So these are $1 too. I'm not going to put these on my cards, but I did want to share with you that these are $1 over at the Spellbinders fall warehouse sale. Super excited about it. Okay, so we are going to be using one of the yellow buttons for our card today. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I'm going to be using Spellbinders white twine to thread this through, or white hem cord. It's not on sale either. Okay, but it's a small roll. Let me show you. Well, not much to show you, but pick us one of these Spellbinders twine up while you're at it too. This is okay. It comes in a package like this. As you can see, I need to restock, but this is not on sale. But I'm going to be threading it through here. Okay. Next up, we have a great deal. This is the Kaleidoscope Plaid die set. There's 3 dies in here, and it creates a real fun plaid. I've created some of these just using 1 or 2. I'll leave a project right over here in this top corner using these. I die cut out 3 for my card today. So you can see they're very easily used on their own. But when you layer them together, it creates this really pretty plaid. Guess how much? $3. You just can't beat that. $3 for this, okay? We're going to be using these on our card today. Also $3. I was super excited about this because I had made some Christmas tags using this. They look like this. I'll put a picture up here. Using this tag, this is only $3 for this tag set. You just can't beat this. So what I did is created a tag with white cardstock. Here, this is what the tag looks like. And then I used this border, and then this is a fringe piece. When you cut this out, let me show you. When you cut this out, you have little fringes that you could place upside down if you wanted to. I'm actually going to place it this way on my card, and then I'm going to cover it with a border. I trim this out. When you die cut out these 3 borders, what it does is die cuts out in the paper. So this is a nice little accent too. This is little die sets like this are nice because they're universal. I'll put the Christmas cards that I made up here in the corner for you guys so you can see or maybe link them at the end, what I created with this tag set. Okay, so $3 for this too. And what I did was just use my scissors and trimmed around it, and then I trimmed out a piece of white cardstock to go behind it. Okay, and it looks really pretty when they're layered together. Let me show you. My nose is really stuffy, so if I'm breathing heavy, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. So if you layer them together, look how cute that is. Great tag set for $3. Can't go wrong with that. Oh, I didn't even tell you the name. This is called Create a Tag. Create a decorative tag is what it's called. And I'll link everything down below. Okay, next we have the Lemon Zest die set. I've used this before. I'll put a picture over here for you. And oh my gosh, this is such a pretty die set. I don't have a picture of it, but you can see the card that I made. We're gonna add some lemons to our tag, and this is $5. It's a layering. Not the lemons don't layer, but the leaves layer, and then there's some florals in here too with some stems. We'll be using this on our card. I already die cut mine out. This is what the leaves look like, and then you have the pieces that go here that fill in to make it two-toned. So you get those pieces, and then here are your lemons. The lemons die cut out with some circle detail. What I did was take a darker piece of cardstock, and I just lined it up here, and then I used my scissors just really quickly to go behind it, just like this. And then I trimmed the back. And then I just used my tape runner to fill it in. And you can go with any color cardstock, really. Or you can just leave them open if you want. But those are the lemons in that die set. And then I have these little flowers. There's 2 more flowers, but I wanted the flowers and the stems. All you do with this is just add a little dot of glue at the base. And then you can tack down your little flower buds. These are one of those flowers that look nice even without the lemons. So those are little flowers. And so this is the Lemon Zest die set, $5 over at Spellbinders. Okay, we're going to use a background. I'm using the Circle Illusion embossing folder. This is a 3D embossing folder, and this is, it's a large size, so it'll die cut out lots of different sizes. 2 A2 panels will actually fit in this way. What we're going to do is just emboss one panel, an A2 panel with Spellbinders waterfall cardstock. And let me run this through, I'll be right back. And this is what that looks like. Looks fabulous on the front or the back. It's 3D. It's really nice. We're gonna use this today. What I'm gonna do with this is just take some white ink, and I'm gonna go over the top part of it. Look how pretty that is. So simple to do with white ink. I'm using Simon Says Stamp's white pigment ink, but it really does make that 3D pop. So this embossing folder, the Circle Illusion, plus lots more. The Corrugated embossing folder too was one of my favorites. Let me show you. This is the Corrugated embossing folder. I love this. It's 3D also. What I like to do is take my alcohol spray bottle. Fits in your budget. Pick one of these up because they're pretty fabulous. I have alcohol in this, and then on this one I have micellar water. What I like to do is spray my cardstock with my alcohol because it dries faster than water, and then I emboss it. So this is fabulous. I'll leave a card that I created with this right up here. And those are $5. $5 for these 3D embossing folders. Such a great deal. Is a foil plate with the die set. The banners alone are nice on their own, but this is the Hexi-Gem sentiments. You foil once and die cut out all at once, which is really nice. I had lots of greetings left over, so I think I'm going to create a get well card. Maybe put some pack of tea, lemon herbal tea in my card with my get well wishes. I think that would go cute with the lemons. So this is $12. This is called the Hexi-Gem sentiments. So great deal also. There's lots more great deals. Oh, and I do want to, I've used these clips before for my card making. They're like short. They're the same width as regular clothespins, maybe a little wider, but they're short and they're great for holding things together while you're card making. And so these are $1 too in a pack, and you get quite a few. I don't know the amount, but these are great to have in your craft room too, or even your desk drawer to hold things together. So all these things are on sale. Now that I shared that with you, let's go ahead and make a card. First off, we're going to do a little ink blending with my lemons and my leaves. And I'm just going to bring in my green brush and some green ink. I'm going to use my Paintbrush Studio Key Lime. Just so they blend a little bit better together. And that's all there is to those. Okay, we're going to go ahead and layer all three of these together. And I'd say the easiest way to layer these together is just to go around the outside edge. So add a little glue around that outside edge. And then tack this one. And look how nice that looks on its own. And then we have a really fun plaid. 4 of these will fit on an A2 card too. Let me show you. You see how they fit? So 4 will create 4 panels. 2 will make a nice little centerpiece. 1 I've even used on a card, if you put it in the middle. I mean, it's just, sky's the limit with these. I think this is a great deal for $3. Can't beat it. Okay, I'm actually going to clean off my work surface, and we're going to glue this to my tag. And then I'm also going to glue the fringe down here on the bottom. And then I'll take this piece, and I will mat this on here, and I'll glue that right over the seam. This has kind of crisscrossed like the plaid. So I'll do all of this, and I'll take this and put this on my card base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my tag put together. I have my back panel on my card base, and now I'm going to bring in some Spellbinders pop-up foam sheets. This is a great deal. You get 10 of them in here. You get 7 white, 3 black. These aren't on sale, but I think they're like $5. And very inexpensive, and it looks like I need more, but you might want to put these in your cart too, because these are just come in really handy. I'm going to trim down the 3. Oh, and you know what? The glitter cardstock is on sale. Let me show you. Hang on a minute. Okay, this one's on sale. This is the spring assorted, where you get white, pink, like a pink, 2 shades of pink, I would say. Green is great for Easter. This is the white, the glitter. This is on sale. These are on sale for $5 a pack. And then also, these ones are on sale for $5 a pack. So it's the glitter gold cardstock. It's on sale for $5 a pack too. I think they have different colors of this. So I'll link this down below too for $5. You can't go wrong. Okay, let's put this on the back of the tag. Sorry for all the stopping and going, but when you find a great deal, just can't pass it up, right? Okay, I'm going to add glue behind here, and then I'm going to pop this up. I'm using glue because I'm going to put this on my background, and I'm going to put it towards the left. I suggest glue when you do this. Tape runner would work fine. I think Spellbinders tape runner would work great. But since it's a 3D embossing folder, you want something that's going to grab onto that. Okay, let's add our leaves right here. I'm just going to put some glue right here in the center. And then I'm going to pop up both of my lemons with some foam squares. Kind of don't want to cover up a little bit of that plaid. I think that's so pretty. And then I'm going to take my flowers. I'm going to probably, I'll put some glue here on the top. And we're going to tuck these here. So we'll just tack those down. Okay, lastly, we'll put our Get Well Wishes. And again, this is one of those cards that, let's see where we're going to put them. I think I want to put this here. This is one of those cards. I'm actually going to trim down the fishtail a little bit. Okay. I think that will fit better down here. I'm going to put it right over the seam. And I'm just going to use my tape runner for this. This is one of those cards that you throw in a lemon chamomile tea bag when somebody's sick. And I think that just says a lot. Okay, now lastly we have our button that I'm going to thread with my twine. And I'm going to use a glue dot to secure this. Just use a glue dot. And I'm going to just cover up my tag here with the button. And that's my card for Try It Out Tuesday. I hope you get to try out Spellbinders Fall Warehouse Sale. Lots of great deals. And you can't go wrong. I hope you get a chance to check out the glitter cardstock for $5. We have a foil plate and die set for $12. Embossing folders for $5. Dies for $5. And then these dies were just $3. You can't beat it. So thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget your gizmo gadgets like your paper clips and your buttons and your clothespins while you're there, and your spray bottle if you're looking to try these. Just love these. But thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. I have lots of projects for you this month, guys, so this is a nice break. I have a few Christmas projects too, so this is a nice little hang on to summer card. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.